Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Render. On a daily time frame chart, the price of Render has broken out this down channel. You can see that since after the month of November 2024, it was moving inside this channel. But after the breakout, it could not break out the resistance of another down channel. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that it is also moving inside in another down channel. Previously, the price had broke out the channel here, but re-entered the same channel, and now it is once again rejected by the resistance of the same down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous rally from this after the breakout from this down channel. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout back in 2022. And I've been telling you in those days that after the breakout, our target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $8 or somewhere between $8 to $10. But the price and rallied beyond that target up to $13.83. If I place this measurement tool from this though to here, then you can see that overall it was almost 4,827%. Very, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Peanut, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 23rd of May 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Render. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And finally, here we broke out the channel on 11th of April 2025, but the price line could not break out this downtrend and resistance of a bigger down channel. If you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that it is moving inside a very long-term down channel since after the month of March 2024. By the way, you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short pump, but the price line was rejected by this resistance. That was, by the way, also the target for the breakout from this channel as well. That was approximately at $13. And from $12.50 to $13.85, we have a very, very strong resistance on. You can see that previously when we broke out this channel and we had almost 5,000% very, very massive rally. At that time, we found this resistance on here in the month of March 2024. And again, it worked as a resistance here in the month of December 2024 as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the recent breakout from this down channel, that is again here at the top of this channel, the smaller down channel and the bigger down channel, somewhere between $12.50 to $13. Again, the pricing can hit this long-term resistance zone as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.